Welcome back to Slide, the ski industry's trade show, where I'm going behind the scenes to take a look at some of the kit that you'll be able to get your hands on next season. And when you come to a trade show like this, you are bombarded with aspirational images of people skiing off-piste, going ski touring, free riding, hucking huge cliffs. But if you want to live that lifestyle and you want to do those activities, the three bits of kit that you absolutely must carry are a transceiver, which you wear on your body, like this Autovox one here. That will help you get found and it will help you find your mates. When you do find your mates, you want to make sure that you've got your probe, minimum of 2.40 meters on one of these as a minimum, lightweight aluminium multi-section probe. And this is the business that Autovox have been in for years. You want something like this that when you get it out, you can just sling it out, pull it tight, and it will be ready to go in seconds, setup time, and then you're probing to find where your mate is, and then when you find your mate, you're going to need your shovel to dig them out. And you always these days make sure you get a shovel with an aluminium blade on it. There's still some kicking around with a plastic blade. Change it, get yourself an aluminium blade. They're lightweight, they're what you need. And one like this where you can actually extend the handle as well, you'll be able to dig much, much quicker. So they're the three things that you absolutely must take. But if you're with a group, I'd thoroughly recommend as well looking at some of the other Autovox products that you got here. This is a great thing that's caught my eye. It's called the Roll Dock. It's a roll first aid kit with everything that you need in it, and you can access it really quickly as well. You've got a rescue blanket in here, so a survival blanket. You've got a wound care kit. Ski edges and snowboard edges are sharp, accidents happen, you need to stop bleeding, so a wound care kit in there, a small first aid kit and a sling. They're all the kind of injuries and things that you're going to need, and you need to access them quickly in a situation, especially if you're off-piste or in the backcountry. So a really great little bit of kit there from Autovox, surrounded by other little useful things here as well. There's waterproof bags for your first aid kit. You've got bivvy bags here. If you find yourself in a situation you've got to keep warm till help arrives, you need to be carrying at least a single person shelter, but ideally a 2 or 3 person shelter. Lots of great stuff from Autovox then for 2023 here at Slide.